Hey, here's another video on Google Trends, and I'm really excited about this one and all the videos, especially relating to like Google Trends, because it can really help grow your business. And so I think it's a very powerful niche research tool, keyword research tool, how to find different products to promote, and I'm going to show you that here in this video. And so what I've done here is I've pulled up search phrases for four different broad niche markets. We've got survival niche market, cycling, golfing, and make money online. So we've got four niche markets here, and you can do the web search. So up here, you can search by web. You can also pull down and do a search by all time. So I could say from 2004, about when Google really got going, to the present. Then this is kind of the results we're looking at. So it looks like they had a little issue there. So let's go back to the past 12 months here and just pull up that data. So we'll see if that pulls in here, and we'll give it just a minute to pull up. And it looks like they pulled it up. So now we can see over the past 12 months how these niche markets have performed. You'll notice the blue one, survival, has actually outperformed cycling, it's outperformed golfing, and it's outperform make money online. So it's pretty fascinating to me for the past 12 months. You can sort by, past 12 months. You could sort by what's going on in the past hour, clear up to the past 4 hours. You can go all the way back to certain years. So it's pretty powerful how you can pull that down and pick and choose. You can also search by regions. You could say, well, my target market's only going to be the United Kingdom. So at that point, you would just pull down and find United Kingdom. I like to keep it worldwide for most cases, but just really depends on the niche market. Now, if I'm going to start an e-commerce store and I'm saying I want to find an e-commerce store here that I could be going after, so United States may be where my dropship supplier could send products to, and nowhere else in the world. So I'm going to just pick U.S. and it looks like they're having another little network issue there. So that's fine. So we'll go back to worldwide here. And so I've got these four niche markets here. We're about ready to compare them. Now, what I've been showing you right now is just the web search version. So we're only right now looking at the web search here. I'm going to actually do a search for what's going on in other platforms. So let's do an image search, for example. So let's see what's trending in image search, right? So what's trending in image search? So if I scroll down here, you'll see that obviously those are going to stay the same up here. You can see what countries are the most popular for these various phrases. And so I can also just click up here. So if I want to see, what's most popular, Ireland cycling's most popular. Make money online, it says not enough data, so that's good to know. Golfing seems to be only popular in the U.S. Survival niche is really big in Australia, of course. United Kingdom, United States comes in at fifth. Now, related searches. So this is where you find those keywords, those hidden gems that you can target. So right here for the survival phrase, I could go to top, but I like to go to rising because I can see what keywords are coming up. So arc, survival. Now that might be something worth looking at because it seems to be a trending topic in this space, for example. I could go to cycling here and pull up some additional keywords that I could start to target. So let's let that pull in here. So it's pulling up some related search phrases that we could go after related to cycling here. So we'll let that data pull in. And then we've got the golf space as well. Golfing cartoon, golfing meme, Obama golfing, Donald Trump golfing. So those are just keywords that are the top keywords. So here's some rising keywords. So for example, with the election going on, if you have a golf related website, a golf niche website, why not do a search for, do a little article on Donald Trump golfing and post some pictures of it, post a video of it. You're going to get a massive amount of traffic. So what I'm sharing you here are ways to use Google's tools, but ways that you can actually use them to benefit yourself. So whatever niche market you're in, find those keyword phrases, do a post about it. If it's trending for a reason. It's because people are sharing it. It's out there on the social media network. So do an article on it, do content on it, so it gets those social shares on social media. So this is really a powerful feature of this platform. So again, boom, there's a keyword that's trending right now. It's rising extremely high. Maybe I should do something about it. Maybe I should put a picture on my website. And lo and behold, that image, because remember, right now we're doing an image search. That image of Donald Trump golfing might get pinned. If they pin me on Pinterest, I'm going to start getting more followers to my website related to golf, about, if I've got a niche golf blog or golf website. So that was just image search. Now I still got my 4 niches here, right? So if I do a search for the web search, we can find additional keywords that way. So let's let that data pull in here. You can tell I'm pretty excited about this tool because I think it's awesome. I think it's a great tool that you can be leveraging for your business. And I want to show you how to use it to your full extent. So let's see if Make Money Online brought up some additional keywords here. They didn't have enough volume for the other ones, but they do for web search. They didn't have enough for images. So these are keywords, free money online, make money fast. So obviously how to make money, or how to make money, that's up there way at the top. But we can see different make money online methods. So swag bucks, music, X-ray, not sure what that is. User testing, so 1800%. So that might be a way you could research about doing content about what's user testing and how people could use it. Let's say the survival niche, let's go to rising, and Arc Survival still shows up there. And we could pull up cycling as well, just to see what's kind of pulling in, what things people are wanting to know. Road cycling, let's go to rising and see cycling legend Greg, map cycling, black sheep cycling. Not sure what that is, but that is another possibility that you could go after. For golfing, just doing the related searches alone within trends is really powerful for you. So let's do rising phrases. Once again, it matches up with the images. Donald Trump golfing up 13%, 1300%. So whether you love him or hate him, might be worth doing a blog post on that if you had a golf niche website, for example. So if you see something that's breaking out like that, do some content on it, then drive some traffic from search, from the search engines. And this is the final, another couple cool things you can do. You can do Google, you can do a news search. You can find those articles, see what's really trending in the news space. Now, the Google Shopping tab is going to pull up what products, what search phrases are people actually using for your various niche markets. What search phrases are they using in the shopping category? So notice that in the survival space, it's actually been overtaken by cycling this time of year. So that's fascinating to me. So if we scroll down here, you'll see the regions it's popular in for shopping. So that might tell you, hey, maybe I should target some Facebook traffic to these geographic regions if you're maybe being an affiliate for a cycling shop or something where you make big commissions on. So let's go here to the keyword phrase cycling here, and let's find what pulls up here. So let's go to rising. These are Google shopping phrases now. Remember that. So KS cycling's up, cycling mask, Oakley cycling sunglasses. So these are all keywords that are rising. Then you've got the top ones like cycling jersey, cycling shorts, cycling bike, cycling shoes. So these are all keywords that I could then take, put into the Google suggested search, and I could say, okay, so KS cycling, what's that about? So I come over here to Google. I do a quick Google search here. So I'm going to search for Google here, and I'm going to type in KS cycling, and notice Google starts pulling up some additional keyword phrases for me. KS cycling, and let's see, KS cycling, and it pulls up some additional ideas for me there. Cycling mask, but the rising task I really like because it really is a little more specific. Cycling gear is up 50%, so you can see that that's trending. And then the final thing you can check is you can actually see what's popular on YouTube. That's pretty awesome. What's popular on YouTube? And I'm going to go into this more in detail in the next video, and I'll show you some cool ways to use this to find content that you could start creating for your YouTube videos. So Google Trends is really powerful. You should be using it for your business.